Recognizing the immense economic potential of tourism destination development, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed launched the Dine for Shaggar initiative in 2019. Following the successful development of tourism sites within Addis Abeba through this program, the Dine for Ethiopia initiative was thereafter launched in 2021, expanding destination development into 3 other regions. We now enter a site that comprises the Koisha Cluster International Tourist Destination Development Portfolio in the southwest region of Ethiopia. The enchanting Kontta Zone welcomes you where the thick, dense forests of the Chebera Churchura National Park hold untold wonders. As one of the best preserved ecosystems in Ethiopia, the park keeps an important portion of wilderness and biodiversity. Mammals like the African elephant, hippopotamus, Cape buffalo, lion, and leopard can be easily spotted. Possessing numerous rivers, streams, waterfall, and the 4 small crater lakes Keribella, Shitashasho, and Koka, the Chebera Churchura Park is a haven for nature and wildlife lovers. In close proximity looms the 3rd largest hydropower plant in Africa, the Koisha Hydroelectric Project, which, upon completion, will be an industrial tourism magnet. At the entrance of Chebera Churchura National Park awaits you the Chebera Elephant Paw Lodge, which is a part of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's Dine for Ethiopia initiative. Sprawling over nearly 10 hectares of prime land and consisting presidential villas with a private swimming pool, VIP villas, standard rooms, a meetings and convention facility, a refreshing swimming pool, restaurants and lounge, beauty parlors, and a wellness center. The Chebera Elephant Paw Lodge is a gateway to experience nature's bounty. The lodge also contains an on-site clinic and equipped offices for use by wildlife researchers and enthusiasts. A sprawling oasis of comfort and sophistication, the villas and rooms showcase upscale interiors and exquisite artworks, a harmonious blend of modern amenities and untamed beauty surround it. Life-sized statues of elephants and buffaloes stand guard throughout the manicured landscaping, honoring the magnificent creatures that call this divine place home. Take a stroll through the museum within the lodge, a vault for traditional artifacts and objects that tell the story of its indigenous communities. Admire the intricately crafted tools, textiles, and artworks that have been passed down through generations. The past comes alive in the sanctuary of heritage, bridging the gap between ancient customs and contemporary life. Immerse yourself in the local tradition, culture, and music as uniquely local music instruments come alive in a symphony of nostalgic tunes. Step outside and into the verdant forests, where majestic elephants roam freely and buffaloes graze contentedly. Mysterious caves whisper forgotten tales, while serene lakes house exotic birds. A suspension bridge of 30 meters length stretches over a flowing river, forges a path onward and forward onto more adventure within the depths of the forests. A sweeping observation deck unveils breathtaking scenery, inviting you to peer into the heart of the forest, creating a connection with the untamed wilderness that is both intimate and sublime. Amidst the luxury, a field hospital stands as a beacon of compassion. Fully equipped, it serves both locals and visitors alike, a testament to Chebera Elephant Paw Lodge's commitment to well-being. Wind off an adventurous day by indulging in culinary delights that reflect the diversity of the region and soak in the beauty that is unveiled as the sun sets and night takes over. Come visit Chebera Elephant Paw Lodge and let the echoes of the Chebera Churchura Park, the trumpeting of elephants, the rustling of leaves, and the promise of a rich culture and tradition be engraved forever in your heart. Chebera Elephant Paw Lodge, a naturally endowed treasure trove.